So in this exercise, we'll just look at patterns and see what is happening, and then based on that, we can predict what the result would be. So if we look at, let's make a chart, a table, and let's fill in these spaces, number of dots. So step one, and let's keep this as step. So step one has 4 dots, step two has 5, step three has 6, step 20, let's go with 4, it's 7, and then 8. But we want to predict what is happening at the 26th step. So there are different ways to solve this. There's a formula in your formula sheet. This is an arithmetic sequence. So if you see arithmetic sequence and you look at the formula, you'll see something like this. An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times D. So A1 is your first term, which is right here. What's your first term? 4. So we'll put that over here. We want to find out A26. So n is 26. And how much is the difference? D is the difference. D is equal to 1 in this case. So if I plug all of that in and I solve, I get 4 plus 25, which gives me 29. Same over here, we've got another arithmetic sequence, so I'll keep the formula up. And you can see this in your formula sheet. So what do we have? So first step, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, D is 1, right? And A1 is 5. And we want to find out what A24 is, as the question is asking us. $28. So if we plug in 28, we'll get our answer. Let's try this one. So here's, it's a little different, but let's see what's happening to it, okay? And then we can determine what's our answer. So step one, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Step 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and double of those, so that's 12 dots. And then the third one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 of those, so 21. So let's see what's happening in this sequence. So we've got 7 as our increase, and then we have 9 as our increase. Do we see a pattern in those two numbers? What do you think will happen next? In step 4, what do you think will happen? We'll have 8 of these. So those are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll have 4 of these. So what's 8 times 4? 32. Right? That would also be an 11 increase. So 7, 9, 11, and you can form a sequence from there. So sometimes you might have a sequence like this, 32 dots. Let's look at this sequence. It's going from 2 to 4 to 6. And we want the 30th step. So 2, 4, 6. We want the 30th step. So this can also be written as 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. This would be 2 times 30, which would be 60. So try to look at what the pattern is. Like, let's look at this one. We've got 2, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from 2, it's jumping to 6, and then it's going to 12. And then the next one would have 8 as the base. So if you look at this, there's 2 here, then there's 4 here, there's 6 here. And then there's 0 here, there's 2 here, there's 4 here. So that's increasing by 4, by double. So then this would have 6. Sorry, not by double, but by 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the next one is 4, and then 2. So this would be your fourth diagram. So 8. So basically what's happening over here is that this is 2 plus 4, right? This one is just 2, and then this one is 2 plus 4 plus 6. And then the next one would be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So that would get you to 20. And then the next one would be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. That would be your sequence. So let's put 20 in here. And then try looking at sequences this way and seeing what the dots are representing. And good luck.